So on the 18th of December I was at Greenfaulds, so I wanted to see some freight that was there. And my first catch today was 443D, the 1111 direct rail service to Darmontry DRS Tesco from Grangemouth Docks FPA with 66428. Then this was the 1125 ScotRail service to Glasgow Queen Street from Edinburgh with 385124 getting the honours. Now I'm just going to explain it. This is my new camera and it's super zoomed in because that's just the base camera. So I'm going to get a wide angle lens and this will be fixed for hopefully, well, whenever, I'm not too sure when it'll be fixed for, but hopefully it'll be fixed for some far and distant time. Then this was 464D, the 1130 DB Cargo service to Moss End Down Yard from Grangemouth TDG EWS with 66 1 through 8 powering up. Then this was 5Z25, the delay 1250, turned up at 1259, Caladonian Sleeper, service to Polmadie DHS from Aberdeen with 73971 getting the honours. Then my last catch today was 655X, the 1313 Colas Rail Freight service to Grangemouth Ineos from Dalston Oil Terminal with 70801 powering up.